Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I've made a siphon, like a DIY siphon, so I can siphon all my tanks without having to put too much effort in starting the siphon and without having to carry buckets around anything. I just siphon each tank and go straight out the drain and then I just fill it straight back up again. Just like doing a water change, but so much easier. There's no buckets involved, no messy, no water on the floor, just like what I like. So what I'm gonna need, I've already opened and done it. Just a jiggler siphon. You know those jiggler siphons? I'll show you them in a sec. Just one of these guys here. Just one of these guys here. So you're just gonna go in there and it's gonna start your siphon. Now the next thing I used is two of these little faucet adapters. It's basically just got a female slip fitting on one end and then a female threaded fitting on the other one. I decided to use 25mm just because that's what I had lying around, and I wanted a thicker pipe. I already had it, and the thicker pipe the better, means more water can get out of there the quicker. I could have easily got away with 20mm, just thought why not, I've got the pipe here, might as well do it. So that's just the faucet adapters. Very good stuff, very good things, work quite effectively. Slip the pipe in there, now they're in. So what I use is two of them and a couple of flanges, just as you can see here. I have an old one that I wrecked, but it's basically just comes with a hole in the middle. And that's just going to go right over there, like so, and make sort of like a bulkhead. I'll show you it in place in the wall now. As we can see here, just like that, just like so. Next thing you're going to need is a length of 25mm pipe. This is actually 32mm just for an example, but what I used in this project was 25mm. 25mm, 20mm, would work quite effectively, even 15mm. Just you'd probably experience delayed flow rates with the 15mm pipe. 32mm would be more than ideal, just the fittings cost a little bit more. I already had some 25mm fittings laying around, as I've plumbed most of my tanks all with 25 or 1-inch pipe. Quite satisfied with the way 25mm works. Really good pipe to work with. Cut it on my pipe cutters, no dramas. Next thing you're going to need is just a 25mm elbow, which is going to go on the end. A 25mm to 19mm hose fitting. This is just on the end because I decided to use hose. Eventually I plan on replacing that with pipe. It's entirely up to you what you would like to use or utilize for this design. It really just what works for you. I've just done this for now quickly, just before I got around and plumbed up. I'm eventually going to be just going straight into this. There'll be a little bit of pipe at the end, but I'm going to make it look all nice and neat with PVC. The next thing you're going to need is just some of these 19mm connectors. They're just male to male barb fittings. All that's going to do is just so that I could join my already 19mm vinyl tubing to the 19mm vinyl tubing that was already linked to the siphon. It's easier than taking the siphon now and putting it in, because I know the siphon already fits on that hose. It's non-standard hose. It's made for like food grade and all that stuff. So I've already got the food grade vinyl tubing that plugs into my tap. So all I did is, that goes straight in, and I just joined that straight on. I'll give you a quick demonstration. Basically this is joined just like so. Real simple. Just male on each end, just joins it. Quite effective. Another thing you'll be needing is a quick fit hose adapter. This one here I'm holding right now is made for 12mm, or it'll also work on 13mm tubing or hose, regular garden hose really. But in my case, I decided to use 19mm hose, which is entirely up to you what you like to do. I just like the thicker hose as it moves it out there faster. I used 19mm hose, and you just have to buy fittings according to that. In my case, I just brought a 19mm to a standard tap fitting. It was much easier. Next you'll need your fitting, which your quick fit adapter will go straight on. So as I prefer to stick to all the standard ones without having to do larger size fittings at all. It's just easier, everything fits together. The flow rates I'm not super concerned about, as it's just siphoning. It should be fine to go through the small 12mm gap as long as the rest of it's all. It will slow it down and reduce the pressure slightly, but I'm not too concerned about that. But these come in many sizes. You can go the ones that sit on the inside. These are for 20mm. You can go the ones that sit on the outside. What I choose to do is get the wider ones, but that sit on the inside like this, but they fit directly into the 25mm fittings. This is a smaller one, but the one I use fits directly in there, has an O-ring, sits right over there, stick some thread tape over it, seals, good as anything. It's really, really good, really effective. I really do like it. That's all you should be needing. Now, other than a length of pipe, which I've already showed you. But now I'm going to take you around and show you how it plumbs on the other side. So we've already seen how it works on this side. Quite effective. It's just go straight through the wall, drill a hole in the wall. You can still see the sawdust there that I haven't even cleaned up yet. This is just going to go straight through the wall, just like so. And I'll take you to the other side, how it's been plumbed in. Here we go. If we go to the other side, this is how it's been plumbed in. Just go straight to the tubing. I'll eventually fix that up, and we'll use PVC pipe. Here you couldn't use just those flanges on the other side, except because I wrecked that flange, I decided to use a deck type fitting on there. Looks just as good, and it works quite effectively. Just runs there to an elbow and comes all the way along into here. Just comes out there. Quite effective. Runs along there. What I'll be doing is I'll probably run this length of 25mm PVC along there just to make it look a lot neater. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace. Okay then. Well, now you've seen it, now I've explained all that, you probably want to see me put it in action, don't you? Like, otherwise all that words just went to waste. So let's do that. Let's show you how it works. Okay, so say I want to clean something out of this tank. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop it in here. Start up the siphon. Okay, now that the siphon started, I'll show you just sucking some stuff out. All comes up. See, we've got this guy here. All it's going to do is suck up there. And then, we'll leave that in there. I'll bring you around and I'll show you where it all ends up. Now there's the water just comes out there. Just like so. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I thought I'd end it out here. Hopefully I can bring some more videos to you guys just like this. This is the new setup. Welcome to it. I hope you enjoy it. Give me a comment in below if you'd like me to do like a full tour on it, how it works, and what we've got running at the moment. It's this close to being finished. It's got one more tank to build, but all the plumbing, all the foundations, it's all pretty much done. I've got already organised a lot of fish that are coming down, and it's all pretty much all done. Let's come inside real quick. Just thought I'd show you the end of the video. So what we've got here. So please do comment if you would like me to do a video on it.